Is evolution still credible? Well, this is a quotation that sums it up beautifully, doesn't it? Evolutionary theory is now one of the main myths of our time. And Behe himself made this point. Behe said in his book, the fact that none of these fundamental problems is even addressed, let alone solved. And that's a very strong indication that Darwinism is an inadequate framework for understanding the origin of complex biochemical systems. So we can reasonably ask, is evolution actually scientific? Well, science advances by observing phenomena. And then a scientist proposes an explanation of what he observes, a hypothesis or a theory. And then this is tested by predicting from this theory what would happen under certain circumstances, and you perform an experiment to test it. And if this doesn't seem to work out, then the only thing science can do is reject those ideas that fail the tests. And it's not often appreciated, but science actually advances by disproving things, not by proving them. You see, you can't always prove something. There may be another explanation. But if your explanation doesn't fit the facts, then it's disproved. So, is evolution scientific? Well, evolution is a theory which can't be tested. You can't go into the past and see what happened. You can't observe it. You can't experiment. Nor can you predict. No one can say what a horse will eventually evolve into. So again, it falls down. And of course, it takes too long anyway if you were to observe what a horse was going to change into, if it did. It would well be beyond the lifetime of many, many scientists. And as we said, any evidence which is contrary to the theory demolishes it. Well, I think some of the evidence we've put forward at least shows that evolution is not a tenable idea.